Hey guys, Hobbybox604 back with another Toonie break. This is group break number 271 on Wednesday, April the 15th. 1314 Panini Titanium. Box number is 1818. I personally had a good feeling about this box, so let's see if my feeling was right. Come on, box. Zoom.
Your Stanley Cup playoffs coverage continues here on CBC.
Come on. You can do it. There you go. 1818. Our sharp knife is out. And empty box. Let's see. Oh, we have at least one decent sized pack. So we'll leave it to the end. Pack 1, group break 271. Here it is. We start with game worn gear. Steve Bernier for the for the New Jersey Devils. Steve Bernier. For the Winnipeg Jets, nice. We have a game worn gear autograph. Evander Kane, 57 of 100. For the Jets, Evander Kane. See, I told you guys I have a good feeling. For the Nashville Predators, Titanium Reserve Autograph, Philip Forsberg. Philip Forsberg. Domi, I can definitely work a deal with you for that card if you're interested. I didn't know you collect X-Jets as well, so I can talk to Bobby for you. Wow, for the New Jersey Devils, team building. Marty Brodeur, Travis Zajac, Stefan Matteau, Adam Larson, 79 of 100. Four-way jersey, 79 of 100 for the Devils. Told you guys that's a good box. And it looks like we have a patch. It is a two-color 19 of 50 for the New York Rangers game worn gear patch. Mark Messier.
Because the Sedins went out in the power play early and the Monahan line doesn't, Bob Harvey was able to get them away from
Mark Messier for the Rangers. A pretty decent box for a toonie, not bad at all. So group break 271 is in the books. Hopefully we can do more toonie breaks tonight. Thanks for watching.